Hey there, YouTube modelers. Coming at you with my reveal of the 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse. I had a few videos previously. You guys watched them, where it was the builds, or building it, I should say, and the little issue I had with the Dremel tool. So, live and learn process. You know, don't know until you try it, don't know until you learn it. So, it is what it is. So, after sanding it down, getting it ready to go, here is my reveal of the AMT 125th scale Mitsubishi 1995 Eclipse. Bum, 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 bum. So, here we go. That is it. I painted it a duplicolor metallic blue over a silver. The hood is a gloss black. I have a flashlight shining on it so you can see it, because you can never see my models when you do it here. So, the wheels, everything is box stock here. The wheels look good. Brakes, silver with the red pads, look really sharp. I did this the swoosh sticker across the side because it covers up the mistakes of the Dremel tool. This side, you could actually see it better, but we're not looking at the mistakes. So, it sits well. It goes together well. It's not focusing again. There we go. Probably should have painted the backlight. No, looks like the muffler's hanging a little low. Goes together real nice. Going the top here, you can see the fire extinguisher and NOS bottle. The interior, I did. It's just a standard gray. Did it with black accents on it. Probably could have done a few more details, but it is what it is at this point. The pick up the flashlight. You see that? There you go. The racing seats are pretty cool. Those show off in a earlier video of it. It's pretty sweet. There we go. We can see it inside a little better. See, that's why I got the flashlight, so we can see what's going on. So, like I said, nothing big and fancy on the interior. Definitely not my best work by any means. So, like I said, one little problem I had was, and I'm not sure if this was a kid issue or my issue, but the headlights, there we go. This side here, I couldn't, the cover, the glass lens cover, the lens cover kept falling off because it actually sticks out a little bit too far there. So I don't know if there's an imperfection in the plastic I missed or what. So one of the things you might have noticed on my kits is I normally put the AMT decal that comes on the AMT cars on the window as like a window sticker. I don't know why I do that. It's just something I do because I'm a dork. So let's open the hood up a little bit here. There we go. Like I said, hood, just gloss black both sides. And here's an engine. Oh, that's what that is. It's an engine. There's the focus. All right. So, like I said, like I said in a previous video, I actually just did it the colors of the instruction booklet. The instructions, which is mostly black and silvers. I know, but my brother having an Eagle Talon, that there was a lot more colors involved. So, just gloss black, flat black, silver. Most of my cars have an interstate battery in it because colors. Sometimes I think the more colors you have, the cooler it looks. Breaks up all the black on it. So, not much on the engine there. It looks good. Everything on this car fell together real nicely. Underneath the car, standard car, little suspension. Like I said, it all just snapped right in. The exhaust is fully chrome. I painted it steel. You can't quite see. Just to break it up a bit. So I have nothing but good things to say about this kit. This kit was really good. This kit was a lot of fun to build. I really enjoy it. Would I build another one? Of course I would. Would I build it the same color? Of course I will not. So this bad boy is going to look sharp on the on my shelf with the other cars. So I want to thank everyone for following along with me on this one. I had a lot of fun building it, and I'm going to get started on the next project pretty soon. I'll catch you guys later.